Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today we're going to go through the process of replacing or servicing the spray gun manifolds on your Cerakote robot. The tools required for this project will be a standard and metric Allen wrench set, adjustable wrenches or wrench equivalent, PTFE thread tape, your replacement fittings for both fluid and pneumatic lines, as well as new manifolds or O-rings in the event of replacement. With a 6mm Allen, remove the manifold screws from the end of arm tooling. Follow the same sequence for both manifold 1 and manifold 2. With a small wrench, release both fluid line connections from the manifolds. With the fluid tee removed, it can be set aside for manifold service. Begin with a 7/32 Allen wrench and either clamp the manifold in a vise or use adjustable pliers. Remove both large fittings and set them aside. With a 7/64 Allen wrench, remove the single trigger fitting and set it aside. With adjustable wrenches or a combination wrench, remove the 90-degree fluid fitting from the manifold. If replacing the fitting, wrap the new fitting with PTFE thread tape. And hand tighten into the manifold. Take note of the proper direction that the fitting should face. Begin installing all 3 compression fittings back in the manifold. With a 7/32 Allen wrench, hand tighten both large fittings. With a 7/64 Allen wrench, tighten the single trigger fitting. All fittings should be hand tight and just gently torqued into place. If replacing the O-rings, use a pick tool or the small Allen wrench to gently remove them. Only use genuine Cerakote O-rings as replacements for this manifold. With all O-rings in place, you have completed the manifold service. If replacing the fluid tee, build out new, short 3-inch fluid line sections and tighten all fluid fittings with new ferrules. Place the new fluid tee assembly onto your freshly serviced manifolds and tighten down both fluid line nuts at the 90-degree fittings. Hand tighten all fluid fittings with adjustable or combination wrenches. This completes a manifold service. You're now ready to reinstall all systems back onto the robot. Start by hand threading both 6mm bolts into the end of arm tooling. Repeat these steps for the second manifold. Using an adjustable wrench, align the manifold to the end of arm tooling and tighten all hardware with a 6mm Allen wrench.
Thank you for watching. For more information, visit Cerakote.com and see our other videos and tutorials on YouTube.